My name is Alena. I'm 23 years old, and I live in a small city where everyone knows everyone. Today, I want to share something very personal with you. Something that keeps me awake at night. Something that many girls like me feel, but we're too scared to say out loud. This is my message to boys, to young men, to anyone who will listen. Dear boys, we are not your games. We are not your entertainment when you're bored at 2 a.m. We are not something you try for fun, like a new video game or a hobby you might drop next week. We are humans, real humans. We have hearts that beat fast when we see your name on our phone. We have minds that replay every word you say to us. We have souls that hope and sometimes break. Let me tell you a story. Last year I met someone. Let's call him Alex. He was charming, funny, and he made me feel special. Every morning I would wake up to his sweet messages. Good morning, beautiful. Hope your day is amazing. Every night he would say, Sweet dreams, princess. You mean everything to me. For 3 months, I believed every word. I started planning my future with him. I imagined what our children might look like. I saved money to visit his city. I told my mother about him. I even bought a dress, thinking maybe one day he would see me wearing it. But it was all a lie. A beautiful, painful lie. One day I saw his Instagram story. He was with another girl, kissing her. The same words he said to me. He was whispering to her. That night, I cried until I had no tears left. Boys, let me explain something you might not understand. When a girl starts trusting you, it's not just chatting. It's not just passing time. When she tells you about her childhood, she's giving you a piece of her soul. When she shares her dreams, she's inviting you into her future. When she talks about her fears, she's showing you her weakest moments. When she says, I had a fight with my mom today, she's not just sharing news. She's asking you to care about her world. When she says, I'm scared about my job interview tomorrow, she's not just informing you. She's hoping you'll think about her, pray for her, send her strength. When she stays up late talking to you instead of sleeping, she's choosing you over her own rest, over her own health. That's not casual, boys. That's sacred. Every girl has a diary. Maybe it's a real book. Maybe it's in her phone. Maybe it's just in her heart. In that diary, she writes about you. She writes, He said he misses me today. Maybe he really cares. She writes, He didn't reply for 6 hours. Maybe I said something wrong. You become part of her story, part of her daily thoughts, part of her prayers. Please, respect that responsibility. We don't want your money. I know society tells you that girls are expensive, that we only care about gifts and fancy restaurants. That's not true. My best friend Sarah has been with her boyfriend for 2 years. He's not rich. He works in a small shop. But every day he sends her one message. Thinking of you. That's it. Just 3 words. And she lights up like the sun. We don't want flowers every day. We don't need poetry or grand gestures. We want honesty. We want consistency. We want to know that when you say, I care about you, you mean it today, tomorrow, and next month. We want to feel safe in your words. We want to trust that when you say good night, you're not saying good morning to someone else. We want you to remember the little things. Like when we tell you we have an exam, and you ask us how it went. When we mention we don't feel well, and you check on us later. When we share a song we love, and you actually listen to it. These small things, they're not small to us. They're everything. But when you lie, when you play with hearts like they're toys, you don't just break one girl's heart. You break her ability to trust the next boy, the good boy, the honest boy who really means it when he says he loves her. I have a friend named Maya. She's 25 now. 3 years ago, a boy promised her the world. He said he wanted to marry her. He said he was saving money for their wedding. He even talked to her parents. Then one day he disappeared. No explanation. No goodbye. Just gone. Now Maya is afraid of every boy who tries to love her. When a good man says, "I love you," she thinks, he's lying just like the last one. One fake boy makes a girl afraid to trust 10 good ones. You're not just breaking one heart, you're destroying her faith in love itself. When you say, "I love you," just for fun, just to pass time, just to feel powerful, you're stealing something from her that she might never get back. Her ability to believe in love. But I know, not all boys are the same. Some of you are different. Kind, gentle, honest, real. To those boys, I want to say thank you. Thank you for meaning it when you say, "I love you." Thank you for being patient when we're scared to trust. Thank you for understanding that some of us have been hurt before. Thank you for proving that good love still exists. My cousin found a boy like this. He waited for her for 2 years while she healed from her past pain. He never pressured her. He never made her feel guilty for being careful with her heart. Now they're married. They have a beautiful baby. And every day she tells me, "He saved my faith in love." The world needs more boys like him, more boys like you. Don't change. Stay good. Stay honest. Stay patient. And to the girls listening, don't give up. Yes, some boys will hurt you, but some will heal you. Wait for the one who heals you. So dear boys, next time you want to text a girl, next time you want to say, "I love you," next time you want to make promises, stop, think, ask yourself, am I ready to mean this? Am I ready to be consistent? Am I ready to care about her feelings, not just mine? Am I saying this to one girl or to many? If you're not ready, please just be honest. Say, "I like you, but I'm not ready for something serious." That honesty will hurt for a moment, but lies hurt forever, because your fun might become her lifelong pain. Your experiment might become her worst memory. Your time pass might become her reason to never trust again. I'm sharing this because I believe in love. Real love. Honest love. I believe that somewhere in this world, there's a boy who will love me the way I deserve to be loved, who will mean every word he says, who will choose me every day, not just when he's bored or lonely. And I believe the same for every girl listening to this. To the boys, you have the power to be someone's safe place or someone's nightmare. Choose wisely. To the girls, your heart is precious. Don't give it to someone who treats it carelessly. To everyone, let's choose kindness. Let's choose honesty. Let's choose real love over fake games. This was my message. From one heart to another, from one human to another. I hope it makes you think. I hope it makes you choose better. I hope it makes you love better. Thank you for listening to my story. Thank you for caring about words from a girl you've never met, but who believes in the goodness of human hearts.